So in this video, we are going to discuss about a question from the substitution reaction, and this question came in JEE Advanced 2023, and this is a part of paper 1. So clearly we can see that it is a matrix match type of question, and there are SN1, SN2 reaction is given. Okay, and we know the basic concept of the SN1 and SN2 reaction, that as far as SN1 reaction is concerned, then in that SN1 reaction will have you can say racemic mixture will going to be formed, a pair of enantiomer will going to be formed at the carbon where the substitution reaction is going to take place. And as far as SN2 reaction is concerned, then inversion of conjugation will happen at that carbon atom where the substitution reaction is going to be take place in an SN2 mode. So here we'll have inversion of conjugation, that we know that from our study itself. Now let's start with the P. As far as P is concerned, then we are talking about 1 bromo 2 ethyl pentane. So 1 bromo 2 ethyl pentane, there are 5 carbon atoms are there, 1 2 3 4 5. At one position we'll have bromo, and at two position we have ethyl group is there. And this is the chiral center in fact, and the chiral center here we have shown with the star marked carbon atom. And now this is reacting with the OH minus ion in an SN2 mode, and we know that this OH minus ion will attack on this carbon atom, which is not a chiral center here. Okay, so the chiral center is not being attacked by the reagent itself, so the chiral center will make sure that its configuration will going to be retained. So we'll have P will have match with the 2, so P will be matched with the 2 is the option. B and D is there, that means A and C is incorrect in nature. Now let's do with the question the we can say the number Q. So in Q, if you see, it is a 2 bromopentane, and 2 bromopentane means 5 carbon atoms, 3 4 and 5. 2 bromopentane will be there. Now on this 2 bromopentane, this is the carbon atom which is undergoing the substitution reaction, and this is chiral center as well. And when OH minus ion is reacting with this one in an SN2 mode, the mode is already provided. That means since the OH minus is attacking on the chiral center itself, that means you can say we'll have a inversion of configuration will going to take place. Inversion of configuration, that means Q will be going to match with the 1. So Q will be matched with the P is matching with the 2, and the Q is matching with the 1. So Q is matching with 1 is this option. So we can say that option B will be the correct one. By elimination method, we can save our time by doing in this particular way. So B will be the correct answer. And just for up to this much, up to this thinking, you can determine the right option itself. Now, but I will discuss the next part as well. So because of the concept clarity, so as far as R is concerned, we have 3 bromo 3 methyl hexane, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 methyl 3 bromo hexane will have here 3 bromo and 3 methyl hexane is there, and one single enantiomer has been taken around this chiral center, and if it is reacting with aqueous NOH, and if it is reacting in an SN1 mode, then we know that the reaction will going to take place at the chiral center itself. That means racemic mixture or the pair of enantiomer will going to be formed. Enantiomer will going to be formed, that means R will match with the 3. And as far as the last question is concerned, the last question, the S part is this is the question. And it is reacting with OH minus ion. At this particular center, it will react at this chiral center. Okay, and since it is reacting with the SN1 mode, with the SN1 mode will have inversion of configuration at that particular center. So since SN1 mode, that means inversion of configuration, the OH minus can come from top and bottom both. So this is the one product, and the another product here is one of the chiral center, which is this one. It is not changing its configuration, but the other one is changing its configuration. So we can say that this is the pair of diastereomer. This is the pair of diastereomer, so the S will going to match with the 5. So option B is correct. So thank you.